Welcome to the next video. In this lecture video, we will be working on the enhancement of the outer appearance of the upper part of this joystick. So we have almost reached to a finished state. We have incorporated all the minimal necessary components, and if we are looking at the outer profile of this object, it is a simple rectangular block. Right now we have to add few fillets or rounds to the sharp edges. The sharp edges should be removed. Apart from that, I really think the upper cover, especially where the consumer is holding or viewing the object, must have some more finishing touches that can enhance the representation of the part. So what we can do is we can firstly add a kind of border for this. So I'll activate this one, or I'll activate the upper cover, and I'll just go to extrude and select the top surface. Now I'll just click on project and select the outer edges of the upper cover. Ensure that I'm not selecting any of the background references, so please check the references whether there exist any of the other part which is belonging to the assembly. And now I'll just click on offset again. I'll select the outer edge, and I'll just type -0.05 or 0.06 from all the sides. And the most right side. Let us make this a closed loop, so we will be deleting unwanted segments over here. Alright, so this has been created. We can just press OK right now, and let us just add a thickness of 0.030. This acts as a surrounding border to the complete object. Alright, in addition to that, we can add up the borders for these cutouts as well. So we will hop to the other window, and let us just click on the surface and make it as a normal view. Click extrude and quickly add up borders for these slots. So all these are nothing but the appearance aspects. I'm sorry, I'm projecting again. I have to offset it. We will maintain a uniform offset for all the edges whatever we have in this model, that is 0.060. Now if you're looking at the figure, it's looking pretty clumsy because there exist the symbols of constraints and the entities. So if you want, we can hide them. We can just go to this icon and turn off the constraint displays. So this will kind of simplify the representation and make the user view all the segments. Now we can just go to corner, and where is the corner option? Where it is, yeah, this one. So sometimes we forget the options in their simple forms. This is one of the best options. This will join the entities and close them together at certain point, and also automatically delete the unwanted segments. It deletes and adds. So this is the multi-purpose tool which we have. So in this case, I'm adding over here, again adding a file, adding an entity over here. In this case, I'm deleting these two entities. Now I'll just press middle click. Technically it has to be a closed loop. I believe there exists some multiple lines or something. Let us just try to see whether it is forming. Yeah, it is forming up. And let us extend the extrusion for certain distance. All right, and now we'll just again bring to the normal view for this part or this region, and click on extrude again. And for this what do you call these switches over here, I will be making a rectangle, and we will be adding material to it. All right, so this is 1.6 by 1.5. all right, so let us just try to maintain a symmetry for this edge. It's already symmetric. Now we can just select this because we don't want the holes to be covered, so I'm just creating this segments over here so that the rest of the object will be extruded at a distance of 0.030. all right, and what else we can do? We can just yeah, I think this is fine. This looks fine to me. And if you want, you can add more you can circle this loops and extend them with some extrusions, or else you can just make a cut over here in order to make it look different. I'll just try to do that. Firstly, I'm taking a center line and drawing a line over here with 45-degree angle and maintaining a uniform distance on both the sides. I'll draw a line over here, 1, 2 and 3. I'll select this and mirror on the left side, and we will just change the direction, but we do not want the material to be removed, but we want it to be placed up to the surface. Sorry, we have to remove the material, but up to the surface, so we get this kind of shape over here. So this is how the user will be holding the joystick. Now in the next video we will be adding the drafts to the complete cover. As I've mentioned you that the draft is a very important aspect whenever we are planning to manufacture. Now you can see the model tree, how we have started and where we have ended, and this is a mere example of a simple part. Now you can imagine that if we have more complicated parts which we are trying to manufacture, these are developed in this way one by one. We have to add the features, understand the requirement and place them at the desired position, then check again in the assembly whether they are interfering or causing any interferences. I believe you are understanding, and now let us just move to the next video and add up drafts.